and the girl who loves the sea. It calls me.
Ngiyanibingelela nonke bantwana bezibani zamanzi. I'm just going to have a very short video today. It's not going to be long because I feel I just needed to do this video because into engiyibonayo that most of us are going through, and abantu they just need clarity on. Okay, we're going to talk about the do's and don'ts of ukuhamba ukuhlola when you're going for consultation, and the do and don'ts also ukuphahla or ukukhuleka ezintabeni nasemanzini. Okay, bantwana bedlozi asiqale la. When you're going to for a consultation, you need to know ukuthi what kind of consultation are you looking for. Kulo melaphi osuke uyakuyena, you really need to know ukuthi ikuphi lokuhlola okufunayo. Be very specific, because okunye ukuhlola uzohlola but ungatholi all the clarities that you need, you know. Like when you're going for a normal consultation, a normal consultation, normally it will just tell you what is it that is going on in your life. You know, he highlighted there and there. And then perhaps maybe you need something deeper and ezinye izinto, you know. Could depend ukuthi umelaphi osukuye kuyena uhlola ngaluphi uhlobo okanye iziphi indlela akwazi ukuhlola ngayo. Mhlawumbe ucela ukuthi ufuna ukuhlolelwa ngokomlozi. Ake sithi wena mhlawumbe umbathu kakhulu umlozi. Ufuna ukuhlolelwa ngokomlozi ngoba kunezinto eziningi mhlawumbe ongatholi iclarity kuzona kakhulu, because ukuhlola ngokomlozi it goes deeper. If I may put it that way, it goes a bit deeper ukuhlola ngabalozi. So maybe it's very wise to understand ukuthi when you're going for a consultation, what kind of consultation are you looking for. Also, kunenye consult, I don't want to name it by amagama, because sabelaphi we call indlela zokubhula or ukuhlola. Ngithi yabona zonke, abanye bathi ukubhula, abanye bathi ukuhlola, abanye bathi ukuphakamisa, abanye bathi, okay, let me just stop there. But ziningi indlela zokubiza kuya ngokuthi wena ufundiswe liphi igama ekufanele ulisebenzise. Kunokunye ukuthi uthi ubhule okanye uhlole or to consult, ukwazi ukuthi uthi ngicela ukuconnecta with my late mom or my late dad or my brother, my sister or my child or my grandmother, my grandfather, you know. Okunye ukuhlola lokho, which is very deep, because you get to connect like nomuntu lo suke kuyena omfunayo, yabona. Akuyi ngokuthi utshela ukuthi no ukuthi abantu abadala, lapho uyambiza lowo muntu lo and they come forward, you know. So it's a very deep consultation. Nami as umelaphi, it drains me spiritually, because ngisuke ngidonse lowo moya walowo muntu ukuthi usondele kumina akwazi ukuthi akhulume. Let's say, for example, let me just take okay, let's say you've had an accident, and maybe perhaps your child washona on the accident scene, and you always have, you know, leso silondo ukuthi is my child at peace, is you know, yonke lezo zinto you are able ukuthi ufund. But however, it's very important ukuthi before that consultation ukuthi nawe you need to be clean. It doesn't mean you have to come to me umlaphi wendabuko, but how you eat those days, you know, it's only something I discuss with the umuntu who's looking for such a consultation. And perhaps maybe someone was deceased or was killed, and you just want that closure. What actually happened? Has that person rested? You know, there's quite a lot. Or umuntu azi ukuthi my mom passed away, or my dad passed away, or my child passed away, my brother, my sister. But however, I don't dream about them. Ever since I passed away, I've never dreamt about that. Why? You know, you just need that closure to find out, is there anything wrong? Are they not rested in peace? You don't even dream about them, you know. Maybe it's perhaps there's nothing wrong. It's just that when the way of healing, you know, your mind is closing lo muntu in your mind. It's just taking away all those memories of we all heal in many ways, and on the way it always helps us to go through a healing, you know. So abanye abantu basuke befuna leyo closure ukuthi umuntu azi ukuthi no, the person is okay, I just needed that closure, or kunezinto that needed to be done. Maybe lo muntu kwakufanele ngabe uklenziwe. You know, there's so much that goes on for umuntu to go for i-consultation ekanjalo. Understand umuntu osukuya kuyena ukuthi usuke ufuna ini i-consultation, because some of us abama-healers, or if I may put it in English ngingakubeki ngesizulu, we are also mediums. You know, you are a herbalist, you are a spiritual, there's so many names abasithanda ukusibiza ngabo, and then ube a medium as well ngesingisi, whereby uyakwazi ukuthi umuntu umconnect direct nedlozi lakhe, bengithi direct lizikhulumele lona idlozi, lizikhulumele lisho konke and everything, you know. That is another tip. So you need to understand, nakhona awukwazi uvele izinto ezikanjalo uzifune noma ubani, but not everyone is gifted in that way. Lawo ma gift ukuthi umuntu akwazi ukuhlola ngomlozi, akwazi ukuhlola ngokwesithunywa, akwazi ukuhlola ngalokho engikushoyo as a medium, akwazi ukuhlola nangenye indlela, like lokho it's mostly kumuntu osuke multi gifted, ukuthi angithi usuke embathwe umlozi wentabo wamanzi waphezulu, it depends, umbathwe inzuza, umbathwe amakhosi, unobungoma, like there's a lot okusuke kukhona multi gifted. So lo muntu uhlola ngeindlela eziningi, uthi mhlawumbe uyafika kuyena akuhlolele ngokwesithunywa, akuhlolele you know. So you need to understand when you're going to for a consultation, ufuna what kind of consultation, and be specific. But nakhona you need, njengoba ngihlale ngisho ukuthi phahla kuze get clarity on where to go, so that you go to the relevant person okwaziyo ukwenza lento osukuyifuna, ungaze ugcina usuwelele endaweni wrong and you end up not getting help. Okay, I guess khulume about going for a consultation. I'm not going to say much, but I'm just going to touch on izinto abantu abanenkinga kuzona, and abantu abasuke bengibuza khona via emails, WhatsApp, or when they're calling me, they ask me. So I'm just going to touch on just a few things abantu engibona ukuthi izona abanenkinga zakho. Let's talk about the do and don'ts of going for a consultation as a couple. Okay? You can go as a couple if you guys are married. Yabon? And nakhona umshado wenu uphelelile, nashada ngokwesintu, kwenziwa all the necessary traditional things, akushodi indawo, you can go for a consultation kanjalo, because idlozi langala nedlozi langala liyazi about this union, yabo. Makoti uyaziwa kamkhonyana, umkhonyana uyaziwa kamakoti. So vele when you're going for a consultation as a couple, vele ke bazokwazi ukuthi kukhuluma bangala ba advise on what the problem is. But don't go for a consultation as a couple if you guys are not married, because okokuqala, that seems to be very disrespectful edlozini. Edlozini lakhe owesilisa, edlozini lakhe owesifazane, because niyahlala nobabili, nifuna kubizwa izibongo zenu at the same time, yet lamadlozi lawa akaze ahlanganiswe, you know, akaze kube union, kube khona union ekhona anganiselene, akukho nje ubuhlobo obukhona okwaziwayo, ukani nomakoti wathela ngenyongo, kwenziwa all this thing, wahamba uyocaca yonke lezo zinto. So if that is not done, don't do that, guys. Rather, if you're going as a couple, omunye akalinde ngaphandle, a consult lo omunye awusuke aqale, let's say kuqale the lady, a consult eqala while partner wakhe emlinde ngaphandle, consult and finish. That is respectful to idlozi lakho. And then you get uphume now. Alandeleke owesibili naye. A consult aqede, you know. Seninga ela ke mhlawumbe kumele aphike senibabizile abantu abadala ngoba phela bayabizwa bamemezwe, angithi. So uyazi ukuthi okay, sesidlulile kwi consultation, but ke benize vele as a couple mhlawumbe ukuthola inkinga kulo nenkinga lo ngoba nibambisene. Seningaba ke khona ke nobabili ke nihlale phansi, nikhulume nomlaphi wendaba ukuthi hayi kuvele lokhu nalokhu ke manje way forward in fixing this, how do we go about? But isidlulile I consultation sekwama discussions, you know. So lokho, that is why abanye abantu uthola ukuthi athi they went with their girlfriend or their boyfriend, but a consultation was not as much as they wanted to. Abathola into eningi, it's because anzange nilihloniphe idlozi, awukwazi ukufika nomuntu oyintombi uzomemeza izidalwa zakho kufana nokuthi usemsamo wasekhaya. Emsamo wasekhaya angeke intombi izongena endlini yabantu abadala, angeke iboyfriend izongena endlini yabantu abadala. You understand? Because umsamo wasekhaya lo uyidalwa la ekuhleli khona abantu abadala, so you need to respect that. Umuntu only has access if eseshadile, senishadisene, wathelwa nangenyongo, nakhona kunemithetho ethize yokuthi umuntu uyavumeleke ungene emsamo. Bekuthi uyangena mhlawumbe ayohlala ngasemnyango, kudependa on iculture yakho, but just don't go to a consultation as a couple ningashadile. Respect imimoya yakho kuze uzokwazi ukuthi uthole the answers that you seek. Ungene wedwa as an individually, ubize izibongo zakho, ubize izidalwa zakho zikwazi ukusondela kuwena, ngoba manje uzobabiza nango no boyfriend kanti vele mhlawumbe uthola boyfriend uyinkinga kubona, or else mhlawumbe uyabiza kanti vele ugirlfriend lo hamba naye uyinkinga edlozini, you know. So it's just going to cause a conflict unnecessary, nigcine suyibona usunze inkinga ebenga avoid in the first place. And then ladies, when you go for a consultation, whether it's an online consultation or uye esigodlweni, just wait till you finish your periods uzokwazi ukuthi uzihlambulule kahle and then uhambe uye esigodlweni. Because remember, when you are on your periods usuke usanalokhu ukuzicleanser, you're going through that self process yokuba kuma periods. Asikaze sisho ukuthi sisuke singcolile bese kuma periods. However, esigodlweni somuntu you need to respect, because kunemithi owena ozoyikhathaza bungena esigodlweni somuntu, ngoba ungena usesikhathini seyintombi bekufanele ulinde mhlambe uzuqede kuba kuma periods and then you come. Uzongena esigodlweni kanti ungena esigodlweni somuntu ombathwe kakhulu amakhehla, yabona? So even in the olden days umuntu wesifazane firstly wayengangeni ekitchen uma bekuma periods, wayehlala egumbini lakhe lokulala, you know, just to respect. Wawungasondeli kubantu besilisa ngisho kuthiwa ubaba wakhe ekhaya or anybody else, wawungangeni ngisho emsamo bekuthiwa ukuma periods. Abantu besizulu abamaZulu would understand what I'm talking about if you know about the culture yakho, because you get so much of people saying when you're on your periods it's a normal thing, akusho ukuthi thina singcolile. Yes, it's normal. It is very well normal, but buma periods wawubona lokho ukuthi kuthiwa uyahlonishwa, kuthiwa awuthathe nje i-process yakho and everything, yonke lento that are going through you, because we go through so much of emotions, nezinye izinto, ma cravings, there's so much that we go through. So lezo zinto lezo in the olden days, ngoba phela ekugcineni besiphila ngokwedlozi, sisaqhubeka nemithetho ekwakusuke kuphilwa ngayo emagcekeni asemakhaya kithi. So uma kwakuwukuthi kudala abogogo nobomkhulu nobomama bethu noma bani bekuma periods kwakuthiwa hayi akangeze nje ekitchen ezopheka, akangenzi lutho, ahlale egumbini lakhe azinese azaphele ukuba sesikhathini, you know. So ezinye izinto ke ladies, when you're on your periods, just wait till you finish your periods and then masuyahamba ke uthi go for that consultation. Another thing as well, don't go for a consultation if you've had a sexual intercourse, good people. Rather ulinde, or you cleanse yourself ngesiqunga or whatever leyo usuku feel idlozi lakho belisuke lithi zicleanse ngayo, or just amanzi usuku wakhulekele. It depends on to you ukuthi yini le idlozi lakho lisuke likulida ngayo, because at the end of the day ufuna labantu bakho basondele. Yayizwa leyo nto. Kade mhlawumbe you've been sleeping with multiple partners, you get, so kade uhamba udraw ama energy abantu i-energy yomuntu that you're not even married to, you know. So manje uma bofuna ukuthi ufika esigodlweni or you seeking for a consultation, abantu bakho basheshe basondele, be clean, you know, spiritually clean yourself. Njoba ngisho ukuthi having sexually intercourse, it's like hlanganiswa khona imimoya, energies, you know. So rather you cleanse yourself first and then you go for a consultation kuze zonke izinto zakho zizocaca, yabo. And another thing, don't go with consultation izolo kade usebumnandini, kade uziphuzele, usanebhabhalazi, perhaps you're just not okay. Just wait, drink water, awukuflash out all the alcohol, awukuflash out everything esuke kuwena nalama energies kade uhleli nabo kugcwele abantu You understand, especially if you're a dlozi person, umntwana umbethwe yidlozi ke. Sengikhuluma ke manje ke ngumuntu osuke embathwe imimoya, osuke ehambe yohlola. Guys, you know you are a spiritual magnet. So izinto eziningi kade uyidrawer last night, just cleanse yourself first, you know. Uphinde cleanse spiritually, and then you cleanse yourself, uphuza amanzi and everything. Just draw out leyo alcohol and stuff, you know. Khona uzofika khona imimoya yakho ikuthola uhlanzekile ikwazi ukuthi isondele. I think I'll stop there with regards to ukuhlola, and then let's just move on to ukuphahla nokukhuleka ezintabeni nasemanzini, whether it's by the river, the sea, the waterfall, iziziba kanjalo nje. Yo, this is becoming a long video and I did not want it to. Okay, bantabedlozi, firstly know one thing. Uma buzohamba uyokhuleka ezintabeni noma emanzini, know your story. Okay? When I say know your story, understand imimoya yakho ukuthi spiritually how much have you grown spiritually, you know? What are you capable of doing? Yabona, uzazi nje ukuthi ngwela kamoya usufike kuliphi izinga, because kunezintaba ezincane, kunezintaba that are just medium, and kunezintaba that are quite high. Like when you go there, it's like we are hiker. You go up like le 100 I mean. Kuba ngathi we are hiker when you going there, because you climb. You understand if you're going to reach phezulu entabeni. So understand ukuthi spiritually ukangakanani, because kunezintaba like engishoyo le phakeme ngempela. Lezo zitabe kanjalo, before you use indawo kanjalo fanele uqale ucele kumnikazi wayo, uphinde unikele, uyikhunge. I'm not going to go into that, but ke lokho fanele wazi, and then you need to get the indication ukuthi uyakuvumela yini ukuthi uyisebenzise leyo ndawo. Okay, mase kuba khona nezinyeke izintaba ezisuke zincane no medium size, nakhona qala ucele ukusebenzisa indawo. Uma uzofikela kuyona, cela qala ukusebenzisa indawo, ukhuleke kumnikazi wendawo, usho ukuthi purpose yakho uzokwenzani lana and yonke into. Uqala ulalele umoya wakho, listen to your energy ukuthi awushwaqelwa yini umzimba when you are there. When ushwaqela umzimba uza ukuthi ngathi kuyadonseka, ngathi you having that, just know ukuthi no, I'm not allowed to use the space, and just leave. However, if umoya wakho energy yakho feel relaxed uba naloko, then it's fine, it means you are allowed. Nakhona, as I'm saying, understand the story sakho ukuthi spiritually how far you are, because abanye bethu siyakwazi ukulalela i-message kusho ukuthi cha siyakunikeza imvumo ukuthi usebenze. Abanye bebengakafiki in that level. Listen to your body. Your body will tell you. Your body will give you all the signs. Hence I said, bufila ngathi umzimba wakho uyahlasimula. Okay, just know that you are not allowed to use that place, and just leave. And then also, nakhona, when you're going there, make sure you're spiritually clean. Make sure your body is clean as well. Ukuhamba eyintabeni. And then bufika khona as well, guys, clean after yourself. And then uma bufika usushiya wena izinto, expect ukuthi uzophinde uvunyelwe ukuzosebenzisa leyo ndawo. Yabona? Sebenzisa indawo and leave it clean as it was, njengoba uyifice ihlambululekile, ihlanzekile, sorry, because nomnini wayo uthanda indawo ehlanzekile. So make sure ukuthi you go to entabeni and do that. And enza nje, uma bufika entabeni guqa phansi masubiza isidalwa zakho, mase uyabuza ukuthi ubheke ngakuphi, bekuwukuthi kwela kamoya awukaka understand ukuthi bengibheka ngalapha ila zonke izinto zami ezolaleleka ngakhona, ila imimoya ezokwazi ukudonseka and everything, you know. Bengibheke ngala ila mhlambe ke yes kuyazwakala, but not in the, but understand, because if you are spiritually grown, like usukhulile ngela kamoya, you know ukuthi ngala kune spiritual portal engithi bengibheke ngalana ngikwazi ukuthi ngireceive yonke into, and yonke into yami futhi iphinde ihambe ishonele. Bengithi receive, uyalalela kwesinye isikhathi uthi ufika ubutshelwa izinto, and then nawe ke ube it's either uze ngokukhuleka noma uze ngokunye, noma khona osuku kade uyokufuna clarity on, then you yazi ukuthi bubheke kulelo side lelo, then you know very well ukuthi ke everything will be heard. And then bungakakhuli ke kwela kamoya, awuqale phansi uguqe phansi ulalele imimoya ukuthi iyiphi iside kufanele ubheke ngalo uma bukhuleka kuze uzokwazi ukuthi ke into izele lapho noma imikhuleko yakho will be well received. Nawe ne-message uzokwazi ukuthi uyilalele be ukuthi khona i-message eziwe kuwena. Nakhona I won't go deep because manje uzoze gcine kukhona abantu manje esebeye ezintabeni ngokuthi bezwe ethi ugogo kufanele wenze kanje. No, I'm just telling you ukuthi buye entabeni sazi story sakho, phahla qala maybe perhaps at home kuze uzokwazi ezintabeni ezinkulu. Listen to umnini wayo, cela qala ukhunge ngalendlela azothi khunga ngayo. Uma bethi khunga ngesilwane uzohamba uyosifuna leso silwane uzokhunga ngaso ngoba intaba usuku usufuna ukuyisebenzisa. So I'll stop there, but njoba ngisho nje intaba nani respect the place and ucela ukuyisebenzisa before you do so. Let's go to the waters now. Same goes, same process for amanzi. Uyacela ukuyisebenzisa indawo uma buzofika kuyona and then unikele ngemali yakho emhlophe. Nasentabeni uzonikela njalo ngemali emhlophe ubuqeda ukucela. Sorry, I forgot to mention that. Manzini nakhona uzofike ucela ukusebenzisa indawo unikele ngemali yakho emhlophe. Nakhona futhi kunemifula okanye kuneziziba noma ngabe ikuphi la ozothi before unikezwe imvume yokuthi uyisebenzise kucelwe umkhungo othize. Nakhona I'm not going to go deep into that. It depends ukuthi uye kuphi or just a neutral place evumelekile noma indawo enemimoya enamandla esuka ifuna uqala uyikhunga indawo ngaphambi kokuthi uyisebenzise. Nakhona please leave the place clean, good people. Musebenzisile indawo ishiye clean, then you will forever be welcomed in that place. Nakhona listen to umoya wakho ukuthi uma bufika lapho awuhlasimulelwa inomzimba, awuphathwa yini ikhanda, awushiwa yini igazi lakho ukuthi no. Then if you're having all those feelings ukuthi spiritually awukakakhuli, igazi lakho lisuke likutshela ukuthi no, this is just not the place for you, then leave. Or you feel terrified, uyasaba, just leave, because it means that you are not allowed to be there for your safety, or umnini wendawo akathandi, or else maningi ama reasons angaba khona. So when you're going to a place, understand umoya wakho qala ukuthi what does it say. If you're spiritually grown, you'll understand ukuthi bufika ucela ubika ngalendlela ubika uyakuphendula nje same time ukuthi wamkelekile ukuthi usebenzise indawo yakhe, akhulume ni communicate, and then that's it. So understand futhi story sakho uma buya by the waters. Respect indawo oyekuyona, musa nje ukuvela ushiye impuphu, ushiye izibani, ushiye everything, like no, respect indawo osukuyosebenzela kuyona, so you'll forever be welcomed kuyona. I'm talking about the sea, the river, the waterfall, iziziba, yonke indawo lezi esuke sihamba siyokhuleka khona. Okay bantwana bedlozi, ngicela ukuyivala lapho ke nibe nobusuku obuhle, bakhosi bayede.